Let your rivers run away, 'cause it's a beautiful day now. Play now, as I close my eyes and pray, Lord have mercy on me, 'cause I'm feeling kinda lonely. Would you be, could you be my one and only? Took a train and station and I was lost my patience, 'cause I was waiting. Don't wait to let it train, 'cause I'm waiting in vain just to see your face. This is the one that I'm supposed to be afraid of. This is the one that I'm supposed to be ashamed of. How rock is off like a bait. Every time I hear a song playing on the radio, let the wind blow, let the wind touch my face. I wanna take a little break now, shake now. That's what I have to say. I feel so fine that it was blows my mind. Tell the truth, when will you be mine? And in my dreams you was real, so it's you, because my head and my eyes every scene will I was scream. Wake up in the middle of the night and I weep. It's gotta be mine. That girl is so fine. Girl be mine, girl be mine. And it takes a matter of time. Ang inabot ko na piliting sumabay sa'yo hanggang kanto. Naisipan kong parang sweepstakes, ang hirap manalo ngayon. Uwi ko sa bahay, ibaba ang iyong kilay. Ayoko ng ingay, huwag mo nang itanong sa'kin. Di ko rin naman sasabihin. Huwag mo nang itanong sa'kin, at di ko na iisipin na kung lito. Di ko maisip kung bakit nakalayo. Mahal kita, ngunit mahal mo siya. Ang hinihiling ko lamang, mahalin ka niya. Di na ako aasa pang muli, kung ikaw ay babalik, ka na lamang ngingiti. Tandaan mo, mahal kang talaga. Tanging ikaw lamang ang nasa aking alaala. Magpakilala sa iyo at ipaiwati ang nilalaman na puso ko. Maunawaan mo kaya, baka sampalin mo lang ang aking mukha. Nagdadalawang isip na huwag na lang. Kaya nais ko ay ialay sa iyo ang puso ko na umiibig sa iyo. Bakit di mo na yata kailangan ng ganyan? Meron ka na yatang kasintahan at naninikip ang tiyan. Wag